My creative people, I welcome you back in this mind-blowing tutorial video when I'm going to teach you guys how you can design this simple logo. Right, so in this tutorial video I'm going to show you guys the step by step on how you can design a simple logo like this. Alright, if this is your first time watching my video or seeing my video, I welcome you in my amazing channel where I drop video on graphic design every day, and I hope you will like much. Alright, so if you have not subscribed, just hit the subscription button now and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, and make sure you share this video so that others can learn. Alright, so in this amazing tutorial video I'm going to show you guys how you can design this simple logo. It's very easy. Alright, so here's the logo we are going to design. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, alright, for those who are new to PixelLab and into graphics, so here's for shape. Alright, this place, if you click there, then the next thing you're going to click is shapes. Alright, you're going to click on shapes. So I will select the shape we want. Then this is not the shape we want, then we click here so that we check other shapes and probably get the one we like, and here is the one we are going to make use of for this tutorial video. Right, so you click there. Alright, you click that one, then click on this check mark here. Alright, now we are going to give this a color, this shape, but before then we have to rotate using this. Alright, let's rotate so this like this. Alright, I think we got it correctly. Then we are going to apply a color to this. Click on color, then enable the button. Now we are going to use gradient for this. You click on gradient, then we are going to click on this plus sign so that we form our gradient. Alright, you click there, then going to be dark, while this place is going to be light. Alright, so any color you're using, make sure here is dark and here is what, light. Now we want to apply color, so we have to move this and this to this point, and also to this point, because we can't apply it like this. Alright, so what you have to do is just move this and also move this one. This one should be here, while this one should be here. Alright, now let us move. We move like this. Alright, then this one also move it in this way. Alright, I hope you guys see what I did. Then the next thing we are going to do now is to apply the color we want. Alright, so you have to click on this for you to apply the color that is around here, and if you click on this one, you're going to apply a color that comes around here. Alright, so when you click on this, then you're going to click on this color icon here, so I select the color you want. Alright, so let us select the color. Alright, so you're going to move this for you to get the color you want, and also these ones. Alright, these are the things that can help you. If you want to pick a color from an existing one, you can use this, or you have the color value, you can use also this. Alright, so let us move this. We want something green, and then one is going to be dark, so I think this is good enough, this position with this position. We are not going to move this because it is concerned about opacity. Alright, so let's leave it like this. Then the next thing is to click OK. Alright, so I think here should be darker, right? Here it should be darker. Then we have to rotate this like this. I hope you got what I did now. And let us now apply color to the one that should be here, which should be lighter. Alright, so click on this and we now click on this color. So we are going to apply a green that is lighter. Let's select something like this. I think this is okay. Then after selecting your color, you can choose any color of your choice and click OK. Alright, I think we got something similar. Alright, then the next thing we're going to do, let's keep it like this and then lock it. So you come to this place, and then you're going to click on this key icon so that we can lock. Alright, then the next thing is go to text, which is here. Then you're going to click on this plus sign, then click edit. We are going to write a capital P. Alright, capital letter P. Then let us increase the size. I hope you can see size, increase the size. Then we are going to apply a style to it, right? So you click on style, then you're going to click on this B, so you give it a bold style, then increase the size using this. All right, increase the size to something like this. Hope you're getting what I'm doing. Let's reduce more. Okay, I think this is good enough. All right, so after positioning it the way you like and in a correct way, then click here so that we'll merge the two. So we are going to merge these two. All right, the first thing you're going to do is to click here, then you're going to check mark these two like this. Then the next thing to do is to click on this, then click OK. Alright, then the next thing, this is not a shape altogether. There are no more two, there are now one. Alright, the next thing to do is click on shape, then you go to erase color. Alright, you go to erase color, and here it is. You click on it, then enable the button. It's going to automatically remove the white P. Alright, just see what it's going to do now. Alright, I hope you understand what I did. Then the next thing you're going to do is to increase this tolerance. Increase it to something like this, so something like 20 something. It's okay like this. Alright, I think we're almost done with our design. Then the next thing we are going to do is scroll until you see emboss. Alright, click on it. This might be scattered. Alright, so if your own is scattered like this, all you have to do is reduce the size. So yeah, because this thing normally behave like this, and you can see I've gotten the exact one. Then I'm going to reduce this bevel here. All right, so reduce it to something like this. 8 or 9 is okay. I think this is okay. Let's check other features in this emboss that we can just go back to it. So let's see the intensity. Let's increase the intensity small. The ambient light should be smaller like this. It's okay. Now we are going to add 3D shape to it. Click on 3D shape, enable the button. Then you are going to reduce the depth. Reduce it to 1. Alright, or 2 is okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is to apply shadow to our design. Click on shadow. Then the next thing we are going to do is reduce the blur radius. Reduce the blur radius. Then this offset X and offset Y, we're going to adjust this one to the negative side, and offset Y should be on positive side. Alright, so you can get something like this, -7, then do this one +7. Alright, I'll just reduce it again to 5. Alright, I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. And then you can increase the blur radius more again. It's okay like this. Alright, we're almost done with our design. Then the next thing we're going to do now is this star inside this shape. Alright, so just go to your shapes, then you're going to select this star. Alright, when you select it, then reduce it to, sorry, yeah, let's use position. Then let's reduce before, then let's use position. Alright, this is okay. Then you're going to give it an inner shadow, which is going to be a green. Click on inner shadow, enable the button. You're going to apply a small green to it, which is going to be something like level 2 or 3. It's okay, leave it to level 2. Then the next thing is now to give our design a background. So we'll click here. If this video was helpful, please make sure you like this video. Alright, we're going to give it a plain background, so you click on color and make sure you share this video, then click on this plain green color. Alright, so you can see now we have finished our design, and it's exactly like this. Alright, so this is just a simple logo you can design. Now you can go ahead and save your work by clicking here. Alright, so when saving this work as image, so you have to click as image for you to save it to your gallery. Then when saving it, make sure you click here, sorry, make sure you click there. Then you're going to select ultra. Make sure you selected ultra so that it won't be scattered after saving your work. All right, then when you select ultra, then you can now go ahead and click save to gallery. All right, so they are now saving your design. Alright, so if this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and share this video so that others can learn, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. If you have any question, please make sure you drop it in the comment section and I'll get to it. Alright, see you in the next video.